African swine fever is a large and complex icosahedral virus with a DNA genome. It causes an extremely severe contagious hemorrhagic disease that's usually fatal for all infected domestic pigs and wild boar. Clinical symptoms include high fever, lethargy, loss of appetite, bloody diarrhea, vomiting and abortions, but sometimes sudden death will be the only clinical sign. The virus can spread through direct contact with infected wild and domestic pigs, or through the bites of some soft tick species, which are an important part of the infection cycle of warthogs in East Africa. African swine fever can also be spread by feeding infected pork or pork products to pigs. African swine fever emerged in domestic pigs in East Africa from infection by warthogs early in the 20th century. Since then, the disease has spread through sub-Saharan Africa and has twice moved into Europe. The second European incursion occurred in Georgia 2007. It has subsequently spread to EU countries including the Baltic states and Poland, putting other countries at risk. The disease is notifiable in the UK and must be reported to DEFRA. There is currently no vaccine for African swine fever. Early diagnosis and culling of infected pig herds are essential to stop the disease from spreading. Feeding food scraps and catering waste to pigs is illegal, a measure which is key for preventing disease in addition to practicing good biosecurity. The virus is very stable and exists in high concentrations in urine, feces and blood. Secretions from infected animals or infected carcasses can be a source of infection for weeks or even months depending on temperature. Disease control is made harder by the large numbers of infected wild boar in Europe. This, coupled with a lack of a vaccine, makes this a high priority for scientific research. Pirbright scientists are currently developing a genetically modified vaccine by deleting virus genes that are thought to prevent the pig's immune system from fighting infection. By removing these genes, the pig's immune system can respond to the modified virus and the infected pigs show little signs of disease. This primes their immune system to fight an infection of even a severe type of African swine fever. Research on African swine fever virus must be carried out in specialist high containment facilities to ensure the virus is not released into the environment. The Pirbright Institute is the national and world organisation for Animal Health Reference Laboratory for African swine fever virus and contributes to its control by providing diagnostic services and advice.